that's 12 at Locomotive.
49,
3006 with.
Our second unit's on fire, over.
Second unit is on fire.
That is correct, coming down Neenah Hill. It seems to be starting to go out now finally, but it was definitely on fire most of the way down the hill.
Are you taking the train to a stop?
I definitely can, if you want me to. We're coming down the hill, though, so just take a second.
So you said it looks like it's going out currently?
Yeah, the flames have subsided quite a bit. I mean, there's still kind of flames coming out the side doors, but they're way less than they were.
EN detector, mile 194.6. North bound.
I am now getting a unit alarm, though. I don't know if it's coming from the second one or this one.
All right, I mean, if you guys believe the train needs to be stopped, yeah, take it to a stop. If you can take it to Anton, try to get somebody to meet you there.
If we stop it here in the swamp, I don't think we'll make Anton. I think that second one's going to be offline. I don't know if we're going to make it either way. I don't know what you want to do.
All right, so you're saying best bet is try to limp it into Anton, correct?
I would say that's probably the best bet. We're down to mostly sparks now. Still smoking a little, but I don't know what you want to do.
Yeah, try to get it to Anton, and I will get somebody to meet you out there. I'll get a fire truck out there.
Roger, sounds good.
49.